Hello, everybody. Welcome back to PolicyEggs.com. Today, we are here to talk about ICICI Prudential Term Insurance. The company offers a variety of plans within the term insurance category, and all of the plans provide financial support to the family members of the insured in case of his or her unfortunate timely death. These plans also provide coverage against terminal or critical illnesses. आइए अब देखते हैं ICICI Prudential कौन कौन से टर्म इंश्योरेंस प्लान्स ऑफर करता है। नंबर 1, ICICI Pru iProtect Smart. The plan is suitable for people who want to provide financial protection to the families with comprehensive coverage and at an affordable rate. Plan number 2, ICICI Pru Saral Jeevan Bima. This plan comes with simple features and is ideal for people who are buying term insurance for the first time. Plan number 3, ICICI Pru iCare 2. People who want to protect their families by offering a lump sum death benefit should consider investing in this plan. Plan number 4, ICICI Pru Precious Life. Individuals having existing health problem or have undergone critical surgeries and who want to secure the financial future of their families should consider buying this particular plan. Plan number 5, ICICI Pru Life Raksha. This plan is designed for people interested in buying a pure term insurance plan that protects their family by providing a lump sum death benefit. Plan number 6, ICICI Pru POS iProtect Smart. This plan is for customers who want to design the safety cover of their plan with their own customizations and flexibility. Well, there are add-on riders also available in ICICI Prudential term insurance plans, and we think it is important for you to know about them. Well, here is a list. Let us now take a look at them. Number 1, Waiver of Premium. This rider makes sure that your term insurance stays active even if you're unable to pay the premium. It will waive off all future premiums and the benefits of the policy will remain the same. Number 2, Critical Illness. In case you're being diagnosed with any of the critical ailment mentioned in the policy document, the rider will provide the needful financial cover to deal with the cost of the treatment. Though the critical illnesses covered under the policy may vary from one insurer to another, some ailments like cancer, heart attack, brain tumor, etc. are covered under the rider. Number 3, Accidental Death Rider. The plan comes out with a rider called Accidental Death Rider, under which the beneficiary of the insured person gets an additional payout in case the insured dies due to an accident. The maximum cover provided is up to Rs 2 crore. Next rider, Income Benefit Rider. It offers a regular source of income to the family in case of the demise or disability of the policyholder. Well, that was all about the add-on riders. The contact details of the company will now flash on your screen. Registered office address, customer helpline number 1-860-266-7766. I repeat, 1-860-266-7766. Well, thank you so much. That was all about ICICI Prudential Term Insurance. As we always say, you need to secure your future, you need to get insured, and if you have any query, you have our back always. Thank you so much for hearing out to us. Stay tuned with PolicyEggs.com and have a great day ahead. Thank you.